Come to me. What it says on the lorry, guys. Bold Doglings freestyle team. Andy Godbold founded this company, Bold Dog, as you can see behind me, and it's now run by Dan Whitby. I come up today and the guys here at Bold Dog, they're gonna help me improve some riding on my trials bike. I'm super excited about that, and I also get to watch them do what they do for a living, riding freestyle jumps and doing crazy shit. Ridiculous. Guys, this is their landing ramp. So when they get to an event, these guys have got this massive Arctic, and it all unfolds like a ginormous transformer into a landing ramp, which is incredible. Pretty freaking cool in itself, if I'm honest, let alone the riding. Hook these guys up if you're ever thinking of wanting a freestyle display. You can't go wrong with Bold Dog. Yeah, awesome. Look at that bad boy. I've only turned up to ride trial, so well, look at these things. I mean, I think I might have bitten off a bit more than I can chew. Yeah, so back in the woods here, loads to do. This skinny log is probably going to be a good little warm-up, so let's have a go at that. Ah! Weird, it keeps falling off at the same point. Maybe I should, I think what I'm doing is I'm just looking at a fixed target, and then when I get to it, I freeze, so I need to look ahead. Look at the end of the log. That might help me. Let's have a go. Yeah! Did it! Gotta get across the sleeper. Oh no. Right, let's have a go again. Past the kids then. Nice. It's funny because something like that sleeper, your brain says this is really tricky and you freeze. But if you were just riding along a white line on the floor, it wouldn't be so hard. So you just got to try and remember, you know, you can do these things, and yeah. Look ahead, calm your brain down, you're good. Oh my God, right. Andy, he thought he was going to be a bit busy this morning, but he was working last night, and he's just said that we can all have a go in the foam pit, which is music to my ears. Gonna hopefully learn, well, I don't know, learn how to send it, I suppose. Let's go and check it out now. Right, this is what I'm talking about. Andy's told me to come and check out this foam pit and clear out all the rats. Alright, this thing looks soft enough. Oh my God, a horrible amount of dust. Alright, so Dan reckons we should try it on the mini bikes first.
One thing that will help you though, is just put your peak up a little bit.
Yeah, to help?
Yeah, definitely. You look good.
Not this, not a sun visor, no?
No, mate.
Has anyone got any like...
It's too early for this, what's going on?
Fucking arse. Has anyone got any like tranquilizers?
Yeah, we actually
shoot Andy with just to calm him down for 5 minutes.
Yeah, a bit of tranquilizer. Do you normally do this on Saturday mornings?
I've done this for 18 years. It's a year that I'm doing it now.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Respect. Yeah, third gear.
Can you put the fluff that way a little bit?
Try and drag all the foam over a little bit just so we ride into it a bit nicer. What could possibly go wrong? How many cubes of foam are in it, Andy?
I reckon about 17,000 cubes.
17,000 cubes. Are you going in?
Straight in, yeah?
Yeah. my goodness. Oh. It's flying Andy, look. How was that?
It's alright, yeah. Oh, you're joking. Skyman's there. You are absolutely having a laugh. You're not meant to be here till 12.
Just put a bit more safety in the pit.
Oh man.
Everything counts, Andy.
So literally, that will pretty much spin. If you're hanging off the back of it when you get there, as long as you're on the throttle, that will spin.
Yeah.
But you want to try and aim to initiate your pull anywhere between the front wheel and rear wheel leaving. It will still spin because it's a mini bike with a super short wheelbase. But the later you leave your pull, the easier it will spin.
Okay. This is all your fault, George.
Yeah. Sorry in advance, Andy.
It has been 18 years.
Good luck then.
Right.
Do you know what I mean? In slowing it down and lessening your pull.
Yeah.
So now, again, just a little bit later and a little bit less of a pull. Sick.
I think this is Andy's third attempt. Yes. Nice. How was that?
Alright, yeah.
Good. It's awesome having all this foam. You know, so big thank you to Andy and Dan and Aaron. What a privilege to have all your advice to learn these sort of tricks. So yeah, big respect. Thank you very much.
How you feeling, George?
Mate, I'm feeling so good. This is the best day ever.
Yeah.
What a place to learn how to do backflips. We've got mini bikes, trials bikes, all the best knowledge in the world. So good.
It's going pretty good so far, eh?
Yeah.
Send it. Yeah!
Second gear, we start here and then there's a couple of lines, so we'll get to third gear and then I'll switch, get to the second line and then switch to third, see the white line pass and a little tug back. So simple as that. Let's give Dan the thumbs up. Here he goes. Yeah! That's so cool.
Taking the dirt, mate.
So your fourth gear.
Yeah, it should still be in fourth.
What do you reckon, boys? Is he getting around?
I think, you know, like if he nails his pull, then
Yeah.
it will spin inevitably.
Come on, Andy. Yes!
Yeah!
Yeah! Come to me.
Well, that was pretty much nowhere near that was
Sweet as. Bike's in good condition still.
Have you made me do?
Yeah, this is actually your fault because let me tell you, you've paid for all of this.
I'm going to be sleeping this morning, George.
Yeah, straight off a night shoot into backflipping motorbikes after 18 years. What are you going to do differently now?
I'm gonna pull a little bit later.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Put a little bit
Try and
later.
leave getting on the gas till you're at the bottom of the ramp. It'll make such a difference. It'll make it drive so much better through the ramp.
Good boy. Right, it's my go now. Andy there getting pulled out of the pit. He's accomplished his goal for today, so I suppose it's my go. Got the electric motion. Look at that bad boy. That's the E-Pure race. I think I've mentioned this a million times before in previous videos, but guys, I can't tell you now how cool this bike is. If you're thinking about getting an electric bike, this is the one. You can learn so many different skills on it. You can go anywhere. People don't know that you're there. Let's turn this bad boy on. I'm gonna wear the motocross helmet, which is only a sign of going full send on a trials bike. Normally got the open face there. All right, see you in the foam. god, I need some water. That is properly cool. I had to go on a trials bike, done the mini bike. Did not expect to be doing this today, so yeah, big thank you to the Bulldog guys. Only thought we was riding trials. Needed it. Look at the state of me. Jesus Christ. Yeah, come down here to ride trials and then end up backflipping into foam pits. It's just the way the Bulldog boys do it, I suppose. So just got to join in with the fun. Thank you very much guys for teaching me. What just happened? Expect to be doing that today. If you enjoyed that video, please subscribe. It really helps me grow the channel, as you guys know. Give us a thumbs up, that'd be even better. Leave a comment, I will reply. See you on the next one. Cheers.